Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about Poly B piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on. Wow. So, when you're working on a house like this, how much does something like this typically cost?
That's a great question, which is funny because that's this question of the week.
Ta-da!
All right. A typical house, 2,000 square feet, 2-story, 2.5 bathrooms, typically will run you about $7,000 to $9,000 with just the piping work.
Wow.
But there's prep involved, there's cleanup, there's drywall work, there's so many other factors you have to consider when doing a big renovation like this. The drywall work, for instance, is probably going to cost you about $500 to $600 a hole, or roughly about $6,000 to $7,000. So a typical 2,000 square foot house should run you about $14,000 to $16,000. If you have the basement, add another couple $1,000s on there. Rarely do we see houses go above $20,000 for the full remediation. This house, for instance, like all of our houses, we install Class A PEX piping, and we make sure everything matches. So that the customer comes home, the house is fully professionally cleaned, everything's taken out. You can't tell where any of our work was done.
Gotcha. It sounds like a whole buttload of work, buddy.
About 10 business days for each job is what we
That's
guarantee.
pretty quick.
Well, we try. This is what we do.
Yeah, good work. Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Poly B. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.